Hey, what's up everybody, my name is Javn and welcome back to another Conquer.io video. So today, I'm going to be talking about how to make your graphics a lot more beautiful in Conquer.io. So here, these graphics for me are pretty cool, like with shadows, with wind effects, with bullet tracer, bullet effects, bullet holes, and more, with object animations too. So without further ado, let's go into the graphic settings video. So here, when you press settings, and when you press render, you can see these settings. So I did not open anti-aliasing because I don't turn on the anti-aliasing because I don't think it does that much right now. But my post-processing is fully opened. If you close the post-processing, you can see that the light is not that brighter as we want to. But if you open post-processing and look at this, we're now going to be closing the ambient shading. So you can see that when I close the ambient shading, you can see that that part is getting a lot brighter, and we don't want this. So when I close the dynamic shadows, you can see my hand, like it is that little detail. You can open the high-res shadows, soft shadows, and shadows on. Bullet trails. You don't need to open object animations. Texture animations is fine. So for like very good graphics, well, that's all the thing that you gotta do. And the other thing is saturation. So they changed the saturation on version 3.0.1. The full saturation is now 1.0. So if you type saturation, you can see that mine is 1.2. If you do the 1 both, as you can see that the graphics are a lot depressing and really bad looking. If I turn it up to 1.2 like mine, both. So this is in game and this is UI. UI means this, as you can see. You can see that it's very bright and very beautiful. You can see that it looks a lot more beautiful when you play. If you like, I don't think you should do like 1 point. Like I don't think you should do 3 because oh man, it hurts my eyes a lot. But still, if you want to do make it free, you can. But it will look a lot worse on OSIS. As you can see, we'll go to OSIS. Let's just host the game on OSIS. Let's do it 60 minutes and start the server. I hope my screen recorder doesn't crash. Oh my god. As you can see, it will hurt your eyes, so I'm sorry. Okay, the maximum should be 1.6. But I prefer you to use 1.2. So it looks a lot more brighter, and the shadow and the effects look a lot better. I don't think you should use the new experimental shader-based rendering setting because it will make the graphics look a lot worse. So the other thing is gonna be you should use muzzle flash on when you shoot. You can see that a little firing thing comes out on my screen. Let's just go to a little darker area and shoot up. You can see I don't think you should put this on because in a huge fight you will lose a lot of advantage. If you use object animations, well, I don't prefer you to use object animations because it doesn't fully do anything to the map and the graphics. It just makes some objects turns some objects animations, and it's not that big deal, and it will most probably lower your FPS. I prefer it to be off. So let's see if you actually don't use the ambient shading and dynamic shadows. Here you can see I still have shadows, but you can see that it is actually very undetailed, and you can see like it's very bad. But if you turn on dynamic shadows and ambient shading, here you can see the beautiful graphics. So have to turn on the bullet things. You're just gonna put your trails. So if you turn on your trails, turn off your trails, as you can see, you won't be able to see your bullets too, so that will be very bad. So just turn it on, and yeah. Sniper flap, okay, can stay, can be fine, but I just turned it off for optimization of FPS, and I also play with my guns, you know, hidden, so I don't even see it, so why would I make it open? So yep, everybody, this is all the video. Hope you all guys enjoyed and learned something new today. And let's look at that, and also render distance. Yeah, I forgot about it. So render distance is if you do it, what's mine right now? If you do it to 1, as you can see, you will make the game unplayable. So I prefer you to make it 90. Yep. Let's just render the whole place. I'm real sorry. Okay, yeah. If you render distance 90, it will fully render the map that you were actually in and stepping, but it won't render the outer map. So I mean the outer map, the hidden room, that huge ass pyramid over there. It won't fully render these, and yeah, that's not a huge deal. Yep, that's all the video, everybody. Hope you all enjoyed and learned something new today. And right now, yeah. Wait 1 second. Yep. Let's just open back, turn on textures animation back. So hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully seeing you all in the next one. And yeah, peace out and goodbye.